In this video, we'll be learning 3 simple solutions on how to fix keyboard not working in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at Day Start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Device Manager. Once you click on it, you'd be able to open a window called Device Manager, where here you need to find for keyboard. So once you find it, please click on this forward arrow key, select your keyboard driver, make a right click and click on update driver. So this window will allow you to choose 2 options. Please proceed to search automatically for drivers. And if it says that the Windows has determined that the best drivers for your device is already installed, click on this backward arrow to return to the previous page. And this time, please select for browse my computer for drivers manually, and there you can see, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select that one. Please select your keyboard driver, click on next. In that way, you'll be able to reinstall it or update it. So once you're good, restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, check if your keyboard is not working. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the second solution. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So the second solution that you can do in order to fix your problem is that here at the start again, make a right click, scroll up and click on Device Manager. So we need to navigate the same method, and that is we need to navigate to the keyboards again. Click on this forward arrow key, select your keyboard driver, but this time you need to make a right click and click on Uninstall Device. So click on uninstall. Once you've clicked on it, you just have to restart your computer. Then once you've restarted it, the moment you click on uninstall, it will ask you to restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, your problem will be fixed. You might think that the moment you've clicked on uninstall, you can no longer use your keyboard. You can still use that. You just have to restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, your problem will be fixed. Okay? The second and last solution that you can do is that you need to navigate first to the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. Here at the settings, navigate to the left side and find for accessibility. Click on that one. Once you've clicked on it, you need to scroll down here. Find for interaction. There you can see keyboard. Please turn on this keyboard. Once you have opened the virtual keyboard, okay, you need to close the settings. Okay. And here at the start, make a right click and then you need to go with run. Let me just put this one first here. Okay. Make a right click and click on run. And in this small window, please click on delete to delete it. Edit is REGDIT. Then click on the OK button. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So you can now close this one and navigate here at the upper left pane and find for the HK local machine. Once you find it, double tapped, and from here, please choose for system, then double tapped, and under the system, you need to find for current control set. Once you find it, double tapped again, and under the current control set, choose for services, double tapped, and under the services, you need to select any of the any of the file folder here. Type I in your keyboard, and there you'd be navigated to this file folder named i8042PRT. Okay, once you've selected it, you need to navigate here at the center. There you can find start, double tapped, and from setting the value data into 3, set it into 1. Click on OK, and then restart your computer. Navigate here at the start, proceed to your power menu options and click on restart. Once you've restarted it, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.